I'm John Butchnick, owner and founder of Printmor. We're a large format printing company that specializes in vehicle wraps, architectural graphics, and large scale print. If it's big, bold, and meant to turn heads, we build it. Everything is in-house. Design, print, install, no outsourcing, no excuses. That means faster turnarounds, tight quality control, and way better results. We do 24-hour turnaround on prints, and sometimes even crazier than that. We once wrapped 25 buses in a day. Large scale, large quantity, that's our specialty. Yeah, all 50 states, even Canada sometimes. Every single one, from small businesses to massive national brands, we've been everywhere. Oh yeah, we've done it all. Last-minute jobs that people said were impossible, and somehow we still made them happen. Deadlines do not scare us. We kind of like the chaos, actually. Well, what about installs? All our installers are 3M certified. For vehicles, windows, walls, floors, that means real training, real testing, and real experience. We don't experiment on customer projects. Oh yeah, we do custom fabrication too. Lighting, signage, special effects on vehicles. We were actually one of the first shops to start doing that. If you dream it, we'll probably figure out a way to build it. Well, we train everyone in-house, no shortcuts. If you want to learn the industry the right way, let us know. We're hiring apprentices. Yeah, because it's family run, and even the people who aren't blood, they're still family. Tight-knit, no drama, everyone has each other's back. Yeah, I mean, always. We're involved in our community, the police, schools, city hall. We support the people that support us. My favorite, new brands, but we also do a lot with fleets, events, small businesses, anyone actually who cares about the way their things look. Typically, quality and speed. That's what they always come back for. Dishonesty. Shops sell premium materials and quietly use cheap stuff. I don't play that game. If we say it's high quality, it actually is, and it always is. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Behind the scenes, big installs, last minute saves, wins, mistakes, real work, entertainment. It's gonna be great. Because we're not just printing, we're building brands in real life. If you like big projects, fast moves, and seeing how things happen, I mean, you'll like it here. Yeah, I mean, if you got a wild idea, a tight deadline, or a brand you actually care about, call us. And if you want to learn the industry the right way, come work with us. This is Printmor. Let's build something special.